Hello. Okay, let's feed the goat. Okay, let's feed Ella. Come here. Are you thirsty? Uhaw ka? Okay, I will give you water. Look, snowing. I will take water. Kuha tayo ng tubig. Oh my God. Oop! Maganda lang ang winter pag una. Pero pag tumagal, pangit din. Ang hirap. Ang hirap gumalaw. Hey, what are you doing there? Go out! Hey, there! Cut! Lada! Yan. Uuhaw ang ating mga alaga. So, lagyan natin siya ng water. Are you thirsty? Come here. Yan. Okay. How about you? You need water also? So that I can take water again. Makulit ka rin, ha? Lumabas ka. Ay, talaga naman. Hi, Milo. Stay there, okay?
What are you doing there? Anong ginagawa nyo? Bumaba kayo dyan.
Matulog na kayo. Okay. Pero ang ganda ng trees, di ba? Puno siya ng snow. Still snowing. Okay, bye.